been a number of times now, Keith, that you've done stories that tell us about how the drought affects the leaf color.
Yeah, and I think our initial take on this is going to be about right, which is it was too much drought. A little drought can actually pop colors in a nice way. This was too severe. Look, it's still beautiful. We were in Bar Harbor this weekend talking to people from all over, and they said it's still great.
Yes,
yeah,
right.
It is a little muted this year, no doubt. I don't think anyone's going to argue that, but it's still nice.
I'd argue you got to find the right spot. It's
Yes.
not always, driving down 95, you will always see some good colors, but there's some secret spots that I feel like if you find it, it's not quite as muted as everywhere else.
Yeah, there's a lot of swamp maples. That's a slang term for them that I've saw that were bright red. And when you look at the hills overall, that's when it looks a little, a little subdued. But again, and these are okay problems to have, right? We had some waves today, a little bit of breeze. This is all from this nor'easter that was offshore. Bigger deal this system was for the mid-Atlantic, of course, as it moves away. But it was close enough to give us some showers. Not a lot of consistent rain, which we would prefer if this storm was actually a lot closer, but that's not the case. Showers out there right now into parts of down East Maine, some going across the Bagel Lake down here on the south side. Generally light stuff. This is the best batch of rain moving through right now into, as we just talked about, the Bar Harbor area and into parts of Washington County along the coastline too. So some little downpours embedded in that kind of a chilly rain as temperatures aren't all that warm. Shower chance continues through about midnight tonight. After that, temperatures drop as skies clear, so we're down into the 40s by early tomorrow morning. Just about 40 flat in the mountains and across northern Maine as well. Tomorrow is a breezy and cool day. We start with a decent amount of sun. We build up more clouds in the afternoon. It's in the mid-50s, but with the wind, it feels kind of chilly. It's the same situation, if not worse, in the mountains where temperatures are in the 40s. We stay dry, though, through Wednesday, and then Thursday we see a chance for a shower over down east and northern Maine as a disturbance moves down from the north and east. Probably do pretty well sun-wise over southern Maine, but not over central and northern Maine. And not only an isolated shower, you can see in Aroostook County this model painting in an isolated snow shower, probably too warm, but it's close enough to think about it or not think about it, depending on what you want to do there. High pressure pushes this low out of the way. We're in good shape on Friday, and the weekend looks good. It's warmer as well, into the mid-60s. It's worth noting that tomorrow is windy, but it's pretty breezy on Thursday and Friday, too. It's really not until the weekend the winds start to settle down a bit. We start getting the wind out of the south on Sunday, which is kind of this time of the year, the wind direction you'd like to see. Southwest is also good. There's something out there next week. But man, how many times have we seen a rainstorm 7 days out that just doesn't show up? Right. So
even this last one, right? Kind of.
Yeah, pretty much. There were a couple of runs there where it looked like it was going to rain, like really rain, and then it just didn't happen. So it looks similar next week. We'll see if we can connect on that one. But we put watching low for now because we are a little skittish about the promising rain that may not happen.
Well, I don't blame you. When you had those two models last week with GFS says half the state's going to get rain and Euro says not really.
And it turned out the Euro was right? I mean, we didn't get much rain at all. So we'll see what happens into next week. But nice weekend, which is mid-60s this time of year, pretty good.
Solid. Yeah. Thanks, Keith.